In question 11, the problem statement says that Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of the ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each one of them? So there are three people and three ages, and the relationship between the ages are given. Also, we are told that the sum of the three ages is 135 years, and using these pieces of information, we have to find the age of each person. Now, to represent the relationship between the ages, what we can do is we can draw a simple diagram which will help us think better, which will help us to represent this information in a very simple manner. So here I've drawn this simple figure of the three people involved: Baichung, his father, and his grandfather. Now we are told that Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather, and Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. So we have the relationship of the ages of the father and the grandfather, and of the father and Baichung himself. So what we can do is we can assume the father's age to be some variable, let's say x years. So let's say that we assume Baichung's father's age to be x years, and now in terms of x we can write the age of Baichung as well as his grandfather. So what will be Baichung's age in terms of x? Well, we are told that Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. So Baichung himself would be 29 years younger than his father. So if the father's age is x years, then Baichung's age will be x minus 29 years. And what will be Baichung's grandfather's age? Well, we are told that Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. So the grandfather will be 26 years older than the father, and the father's age is x years. So the grandfather's age will be x plus 26 years. Okay, and now the problem has become really simple because we have written all the three ages in terms of a single variable x, and we did that by first assuming the father's age and then writing Baichung's age and the grandfather's age in terms of x. Now we need to use the fact that the sum of the three ages is 135 years. So we will have x minus 29 Baichung's age plus x, which is the father's age, plus x plus 26, which is the grandfather's age. These three should be equal to the sum of these three should be equal to 135. So now we have an equation in x, and we can solve it to find the value of x. So we have x, x and x. We have three terms of x on the left hand side, so we get 3x, and we have minus 29 and plus 26 on the LHS, so minus 29 plus 26, and on the RHS we have 135. So we have 3x minus 29 minus 29 plus 26 will be minus 3. So we have 3x minus 3 is 135. So now what we can do is we can take this minus 3 and transpose it to the right side. So we will get 3x is equal to 135 plus 3, or 138. So x will be 100. So we can divide both sides of the equation by 3 now. So x will be 138 by 3, and this will be equal to 46. So x will be equal to 46. And now that we have the value of x, we can find the ages of each of the three people. So the father's age is x years, so the father's age is 46 years. Baichung's age is x minus 29, or 46 minus 29, so that will be 17 years. And the grandfather's age is, what is it in terms of x? So it is x plus 26, so it will be 46 plus 26, or 72 years. And with this we have found the ages of all the three people. So the answer to the question is Baichung's age is 17 years, his father's age is 46 years and his grandfather's age is 72 years. And this completes question number 11.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.